Hello and welcome to Smart Study. Today again I am back with another circuit problem. So before starting, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. So here we have given the questions as VA minus VB equals to 6 volt. Then calculate VC minus VD. And here we have the node A and here we have the node B. Similarly we have node C and node D here, VC and VD. And here this circuit looks quite complicated, but in this video I'll show you the simplest technique to solve the value of VC minus VD. So the very first step is that we have to convert this circuit into equivalent network. So first consider this whole part as a network A and this last part means this whole part as network B, and remaining we have these 2 ohm resistors, similarly 1 ohm resistors, and here we have one current source. So first considering this part as a network A, so here we have network A, and if you consider this whole part as a network B, then here we have network B, and here we have between VA and VB we have 2 ohm resistors. So here I have placed 2 ohm resistors, and here we have 2 ampere current source and 1 ohm resistors. So to calculate the potential across it, we can simply use Ohm's law, means V equals to IR. So on calculating V equals to IR, we can get here 2 volt. So and the remaining 1 ohm resistor here we have, and suppose the current flowing through this branch is I. So in the questions we have given as VA minus VB equals 6 volt. So we can write here VA minus VB, that is given as 6 volt, and if you calculate VA minus VB from here, so VA minus VB equals to 2 into I. So here I have written as 2 into I, and we know VA minus VB given as 6, so we can write 2I is equals to 6, and from this you can calculate the value of I as I equals to 3 ampere. And similarly if you consider this part, means the potential across where VC and VD, so we can write here VC plus 2 volt plus 1 into I, and where we have obtained the value of I as 3 ampere, and that will be equals to VD. So we need the value of VC minus VD. So VC minus VD will be minus 5 volt. So this is our required answer. Thanks for watching this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Thank you.